Hello, my name is Rebecca from Amach Community Garden, and today we're going to learn about how to grow cucumbers. So the first thing you need when you're growing cucumbers is a cucumber seed. So I was in Lidl and they have a dill and cucumber combination, and it comes in a seed tape. So I thought I'd show you how you plant with a seed tape. Now cucumbers are quite big and they grow quite large, so what I think we'll do is we'll grow it in a container. So in the same way as we have with the potatoes, we just get a bag, any old bag will do, and if you remember we need to cut some holes in it to allow...
Can you do some holes?
Yeah, now doing the holes is just for adults, not for children, because...
I have to go, Daddy.
Okay, because adults are only cutting the holes. Are you coming back in a minute?
Yeah.
So just cut several holes in the bottom to allow for a bit of drainage. There we go. And then roll it down. Just keep going down.
Mommy, there's a 60 plant, because this is still my tree.
Okay, wonderful. Are you going to help me fill this with soil?
But in a minute.
So we're just going to fill this with some compost. If you have some space outside, you can plant this directly outside. It's starting to get nice and warm now. So it should be warm enough, although cucumbers are not likely to grow outside in Donegal, but you can grow them inside. If you have a nice big pot, you can do that inside, but if you don't, you can just use a bag like I'm using here. Now, so we just fill that up. Now the reason why I'm doing it straight into a container is because the way the seed tape is done. The seed tape spaces out your seeds evenly. And because this is a combination one, it's doing cucumber and dill at the same time.
Mommy, I got something for you.
What did you get for me?
A bamboo thing.
A bamboo thing. Yeah, we were using the bamboo to do the peas, weren't we?
Yeah.
That's right. Do you know what animal eats bamboo?
Huh?
Panda bears.
Yeah.
There we go, some bamboo left over from last week's peas. Now, the seed tip. It looks like this. Sometimes it's rolled up like a little kind of roll, but you just find the end and peel it off. And you can see that it's quite a significant... So here is my first cucumber seed in the tape. So in this container, I want to kind of keep it in the middle. Oh, we have two cucumbers here. Okay. Alright, so I'm just going to cut off the first bit, like this. And these sections. Okay. So when you hold it up to the light, you can see that there's cucumber seeds here, and then dill seeds all along the side. So you put this into your container, or into your bag like this, and then, oh sorry, before you do that you want to water your soil, so just give it a little watering. Okay, now you don't want to be moving your container too much really, so you put your seed tape in like this, like so. And we're just going to cover the top of it with just a really light dusting of soil. Just enough to cover, the paper. Okay. There we go, and a little tiny bit of water now. Just be very careful. A little tiny bit of water. Now, another great idea to kind of keep your cucumbers nice and warm, if you have any of these, you can just place that over, and that will just keep your seeds, it will kind of like incubate them a little bit and keep the heat in. Now, never forget to put a little piece of sign to say what it is that you've planted in there, so that you know when it comes up. So we're going to put on here, whoops, dill plus cucumber. There we go. Now, what I suggest is that for these guys, that you keep them covered or in a windowsill, or grow them inside as much as you can. Dill on its own will probably be able to be grown outside after it's a few inches tall, but the cucumbers not so much so. They'll probably need polytunnel. If you don't have a polytunnel though, you can grow them inside if you've got like a nice little bit of area in your porch or something like that, or some kind of area near a window. And they're really beautiful actually. They come out with beautiful flowers. And the great thing about cucumbers as well is the more you harvest them, the more you grow. So you can be giving gifts of cucumbers to everyone. Or if you like we did last year, you can pickle some cucumbers and you can give them then as gifts at Christmas time. So enjoy. Bye.